Hey, Rich here. Just finished riding River Legacy Parks in Arlington, Texas. Great course, great trail. It's fast, flat, and fun. Let me take a look at the trail map with you. The trail map is well labeled. You've got a trailhead for hikers to go in one way, counterclockwise. They do ask that the bike entrance, you guys go counterclockwise. And there is a difficult course here called the EKG. Then there's a south loop, a Prairie loop, a north loop, a west loop, a fun town. There's another trail in here that's not exactly on this trailhead map called Ridge, but this is a fast flowing dirt single track that will give you a good quick ride. It's probably 7-8 miles if you ride all the loops. River Legacy Parks here in Arlington. Really fun ride. Flat, fast, and fun.